how to follow someone on Instagram. So if you want to follow someone on your Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. Now go with the three horizontal lines, which is on the top right. And if you scroll down, you'll have account privacy. So let me tell you something, that you will have two types of account on your Instagram. One is a public account and the other one is a private account. So if you want to follow someone who has a public account, then it will be easy. So you can go with search icon, which is on the bottom left. And now again, go with the search bar. And here search for a person. Like for example, I'll go with this account, which is a public account, right? So if you want to follow a public account, then you just need simply tap on follow, and that's it. Now you're on their followers list. But if you want to follow a private account, then you can just simply go back and then search for a private account. Now after searching, this is a private account, right? So if you want to follow someone who has a private account, then you can just simply tap on follow, and the other person will receive a request that this person is trying to follow you. And if the person accepts the request, then you'll be able to follow someone. So that's how you can follow someone on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.